Hi guys! This is Jessica D in my room. Wala po tayo sa road, wala din tayo sa kitchen because we are going to renovate this divider. Mayroon akong divider dito for my dressing room kasi nandun yung dressing room ko. Teka lang, makaabot yun dyan. Okay, so dyan ako nagbibihis. Yan. Ito naman yung mga dress and everything, shoes and everything. Okay. And this is my room. So, nandito yung tripod sa kama. Kaya hindi ko mapakita kasi nakahiga. Sige. Okay. So, this is our divider. Isang buong plywood po siya. From top to bottom. There. Okay. And, para maiba naman, ayaw ko siyang pinturahan. Kasi nga, mabaho. And, dito pa naman natutulog yung baby namin. Kaya po, ang gagawin natin today is that we are going to use this adhesive sticker na para siyang wood. Ilang centimeters na? Ano nga yung papel? Yung plastic? Yan. Ganyan siya. Okay. Kinunit ni Glee, kaya hindi ko alam kung ano. 45 centimeters by 10. So, 10 by 45 centimeters. And I don't know how big is this. Kasi nga, hindi naman ako ganun ka-handy woman. Kasi may handy man, may handy woman. Okay. I-apply po natin ito. Ilan to? 40? 45 centimeters by 10. And this is for 139 pesos only. Yan. Okay, so nung namili kami, sinama na namin to. So, ito-try ko muna to kasi dapat ito ay para sa kitchen namin. But, ito-try ko muna kung maganda ba siya gamitin sa medyo rough. Hindi naman, medyo smooth naman to, rough. And, mahal kasi pagka yung yung pintor namin yung gagawa, si Paing. Ito yung ginawa na dati. Yan. This is painted. Okay. And, greenish siya. Kasi nga, favorite ko yung green color. Kaya, as you can see, napakita ko na ayan yung other side of my wall. And, hanggang doon na tayo at sige nag-aabang. So, balik na tayo. Ayan. So, merong horizontal, may vertical lines. Tapos, I've added this divider kasi nga, pag nabibihis ako, ito lang yung pinto. Parang, very wide siya. And, ayoko na ganun. So, alagyan natin siya ng konting arte kasi nga rough siya. And, we were going to make the kit na. And, we are not expert with this kind of thingy. So, I do apologize for any inconvenience. But, sige yung gagawa nito kaya kung may error man. Sige sisisihin. Okay, so let's start. Let us do this. Let's go. back. This is our finished product. Not bad for our first time. Ayan. First time kasi magdikit ng adhesive. And it has a better view or function na. Ang ganda na. It's smooth, it's good, and it's very recommendable as well. Medyo manipis lang yung yung sticker. And meron pa kaming excess. So, buong na yan, yung buong plywood, it took, I don't know how many centimeters is it. Pero tatlong ulit. Pero yung pinakadulo, itong part na to, is konti lang yung nagamit. Ito lang. So, almost half or 1/4 of it ang nagamit. So, 2 rolls, from up to down, tapos itong kalahati. This one. And, maganda siyang gamitin. Very easy to use, very easy to stick it. Kaya, magandang wall sticker. I recommend it sa mga gustong mag-renovate ng kanilang mga kwarto or room. And there is a lot of available designs. Kung gusto nyo is cartoon character or whatsoever, pwede siya. Kaya guys, if you are planning to renovate your house or yung kwarto ninyo o kahit anong part ng room ninyo, pwede sa cabinet din siya or kahit saan. Basta sticker. Ayan, hindi na pwede sa bubong siguro, no? Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you for joining me today as we renovate. So, for my upcoming videos, there are a lot more of using this adhesive wall stickers. And because we are renovating our kitchen, para naman maiba naman yung function or maiba naman yung itsura niya with this design. And that's it for today. We will not be back anymore, maybe tomorrow or so. So thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So Jessica D in my room. Have a great day, guys. Mama.